Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack nazi indaba futhi eMadlanga, right? Izolo bekusa witness A. It came out ukuthi uKatiso Katie Molefe, right? I mean, God, it was clear, guys. I mean, all of us we were asking ourselves, how can you get bail? It was clear ukuthi wathola ibail ngokuthi athenge ijaji. At first kwathiwa u1 million, manje seku 2.5 banayo boy imali oKatiso yokuntshontsho. Bese ke kuzoba u400,000. Ngicabanga you buy for 2.5 ijaji to give you bail ka 400,000. You can't be serious right now. That's 2.9. Wow. It's crazy though how Mkhwanazi did mention on the 6th of July when he gave that briefing ukuthi politicians as well are also involved. Yabona lento le masu connecta ama-dots just like hayibo. Safika nini la? It's a big thing that has been going on. This is why it's a web of lies nje basically. I'm just like, as South Africans safika nini la? Sikhontrolwa imgulukudu. And remember ukuthi Alexander Court denied him bail uKatiso. Because this guy, he has 14 cases of unaliving people. He is actually the mastermind. He was the one that was actually getting people to go hambelap and pow uban ukubona. And then and the person no, it's actually 10 cases of unaliving people because he's basically their mastermind. How can such a person get bail, guys? There is no way. Now he's roaming the streets of Sandton. Again, also Sandton City, chances are someone will get caught. So basically, Katiso Molefe bayakwazi bona ukubribe i-judicial system benze noma yini abayithandayo. You understand? I don't know what lessons are those to our children. You can do whatever you want and get away with it because you know powerful people and you also dangerous when ngokwakho. So you must be scared of you. Like honestly, guys, how do you buy a bail for 400,000 for 2.5? A bail for 400,000? How? Just when no 3 million basically that's waiting to be played with. I'm just like, wow.